In today's programmatic world, market research agencies are under fire. Your clients demand speed and accuracy. But in your projects, vendors make promises they can't deliver, then cut corners to try. The trust bubble is bursting. Your gut tells you something is very wrong, but you aren't sure it's fixable. Many MRAs solve this by investing 20+% of their labor on manual data cleaning. Ultimately, this fails because today's quality threats can't always be caught that way. Organized click farms, device masking, and AI systems produce data that appears true to the naked eye. So researchers swirl, agonizing over impossible decisions. Project timelines slip. Avoiding an upgrade isn't just a risk, it quietly kills your speed and profit. You don't need a silver bullet, you need a holistic data quality strategy. At OpinionRoute, we built a quality wrap for your survey. It works in 3 phases, serving as a bubble wrap while connecting to the Navigator. First, pre-survey. We know high-tech fraud and we block it. Second, in-survey behavior monitoring. We catch behaviors that are indicative of fraud in survey taking. Post-survey, researcher reviews. QC Flow is the AI co-pilot for all researcher data cleaning. This isn't about replacing researchers. It's about empowering them. By automating the rote tasks, your team stops being data janitors and starts being insights experts. You gain the power to trust, but verify every vendor, every project, because you deserve the same partnership you give to your clients. Stop flying blind. Install a data quality strategy that works for you. Visit OpinionRoute.com/data quality to get a free data quality audit today. OpinionRoute. Work better.